Hey guys, I'm Houston.
And I'm Olivia. I'm a veteran of the United States Air Force. We've been together for 5 years.
And we have 4 beautiful children.
I'm Carter and I'm 13.
I'm Graceland and I'm 6. I'm Ruben, I'm 4. I'm Timmy, oh no, I'm 2.
We bought our first camper in April 2024, and we've been full-timing ever since.
Last summer, we traveled down the West Coast and also some states in the Midwest.
We own a 2024 Wildwood Heritage Glen 310 BHI made by Forest River.
We've been to 15 states and also some states in the Midwest, so had some mishaps. Our refrigerator fell out of the cabinetry and we had to take our camper back to Elkhart, Indiana to the manufacturer to have it repaired. We also had our transmission go out in our 2024 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD, which was another bump in the road. So full-time RVing isn't always perfect. There are definitely some pros and cons to RV life. We love being able to travel full-time with our family.
It's not always flamingo and pineapples, but when it is going good, it's a great time. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.